How you doing, Ralfy? Ralfy Customs again. Fucking freezing. Yeah, we're working on jocks. Yeah, right. We're going to reinforce his rear mud guard, and I've decided that I'm going to brace it internally. So I'm going to strengthen it up, make some heavy gauge plates that fit underneath it, and then we'll mount it securely to the frame, and hopefully it'll look absolutely adorable. Let's do it. So, there's not really any framework. Many ways you'd strengthen up the mountings on the rear mud guard. You'd put frame rails, you know, or you'd have struts like the Harleys have, coming off the back of the frame. Or you can strengthen the mud guard itself. And there's some really secure mountings already in place. So, we've got these really thick plates. We've got this, and I think between those 3 points, if we strengthen up the internals of the mud guard, the job will be a good one. So I've made a start. I've made some curves, look, some arches. This 2-inch flat bar, and they're going to get tweaked and welded into place inside the rear mud guard. So that'll form the skeleton, if you like. That'll be the backbone of the bracing that's going to do it. Okay, so there you go. You can see, with much ado, a lot of faffing, I've actually get the big boy out. We managed to fit one. I've kind of got one in place. The problem is that, let's see if I can stand it up. There we go. It's going to curve. It's going to belly out this way. See, there's a much wider gap here than there is here because of the profile of the mud guard. It's not flat. So I'm going to get one on, and then we're going to chop and bend and tweak and do to get the other one in place too. Okay, a bit of a puff. So we've done that. Look, all cleaned up, all welded up, ready to rock and roller. It's had my 16 stone jumping up and down on it, and it's as solid as fuck. I've welded the ends over, so they finish nicely. Excuse me. And give the other sort of quick fettle. So that's now ready to be fitted. Nice one. So we've got it mounted. Gone through that top bracket. Unfortunately, the camera don't think it'll pick it up. See that black line? That's actually the centre of the frame. So that bracket's not in the centre. I didn't put it on. But we'll cover that with a seat base. No one's going to see it. you know. And it certainly seems to sit okay. I'm happy with that. What I've got to do now is look at putting a mount in the bottom half, somewhere maybe off these holes, through with a spacer or something, just so that it's properly braced, and we'll go from there. So I'll call it quits for this one, because I've had enough today. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates on Jock's Yamaha, and I'll catch you all soon. Big love everyone. Take care.